Okay, Google. How long will it take to drive back to Toronto?
There's light traffic from your location to Toronto, so it will take about 44 hours.
Light traffic.
We were up very late last night, editing, finishing the edit. The vidster's still not uploaded. We tried to upload it on our little mobile thing. I'm gonna make a tea. And to top things off, our walkie-talkie's already been charged. I didn't even mention it, I don't have any clean clothes. So I'll be spending the day in my boxers and a flipped around tank top. Did you hear that? There's no more dissolvable ones.
Buddy.
That was cross my foot.
It's time for me to go home because I have 0 contacts left. So you guys are gonna see me in goggles every day until...
You have no more contacts left?
I should actually order some so when we get home they're there. I have 1 pair that I'm stashing in the event that we like bungee jump or something and I can't wear my goggles.
That's smart. I feel like you need to order like not a lot more.
I know. It's just like such a big upfront cost that I never want to, but you're right, I probably should just order so many at a time.
Hi friends, I'm in a good mood now. I've got my co-pilot.
Yeah, you were just sad I was
such a good mood this morning. All alone, had to get up, bear the cold.
The cold. We're rolling up to the first of what will probably be many, many tolls today.
What up? The squad was getting a little worried. We forgot to fuel up, but we're lucky we made it to a little town. We got some gas. My buddy's making me breakfast, I guess.
That's breakfast, yeah?
Check this out. We had some leftover walnut, lentil, kind of like meat mix. And then she put a little hummus, a little salsa matcha, and tomato. These look delicious, folks.
I think they're gonna be good. 93% uploaded, 55 minutes remaining.
Those are good.
Yeah?
We got some serious entrepreneurs on that hustle game, trying to sell you just about anything. Let's take a look at what they got. That guy's got baseball bat. Yeah, this guy's got freezies, sun blockers, ice cream sandwiches. I'm not sure what she's got. Some kind of, maybe a board game. I guess I pulled out the camera a little bit late. I also saw playing cards, USBs, sandwiches, popsicles, necklaces, pillows, cigarettes, you name it, they'll get it for you. Unfortunately, the walkies weren't charged last night, so our communication has been a little bit minimal with the millennials. I'm really trying to just catch up to them so I can toss them a walkie because I've been charging them and find out what the situation is, because I feel like we're driving into Puebla. Maybe these guys were thinking we wanted to stop for lunch, but I don't want to stop for lunch. We gotta go get at that. Oh, here we go. Am I going right here?
No, you're looping right here. We're stopping for a solid and to get the cars around. So we have 3.5 hours left.
See, I knew they were gonna stop, man. Stay right, stay right.
Puebla Central, stay right.
I love how you have to poop so bad, but you refuse to not be my Google Maps right now.
Turn left.
Here?
Yeah, the place you just cruised by.
Oh my god, bro. You're gonna vlog for a bit, buddy. No one's even seen that you're awake.
What? I was awake earlier. But he's not going outside like that, are you?
I already told myself that I was.
Not allowed?
How do you feel about going out in your underwear?
Not too bad.
Okay, I guess you're doing it.
Does it look like underwear?
Yes.
Or does it just look like I'm European?
No, it looks very much like underwear. Also, there's a big hole in the back of your butt. Let's show. Yes! Oh my god. You can't go out like that. We could have shared one, I think.
I know. Well, the size of these salads, $5. Damn. Está bien?
It's kind of expensive, no?
Yeah, it is expensive. I feel like we're in like a pretty nice part of town though.
My buddy's got some shorts on. Proud of you. Proud of you. How's the ensalada?
There's just no like,
I know.
avocado, or, seeds.
This is like a place where you kind of miss out by being vegan because there's like, they don't have like the add-ons that make it really good.
Yeah, like chicken and cheese look really delicious in this.
Yeah.
It's gross.
I'm not sure how much we showed of this when we were in.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm just giving Papa half a call. Let's see if he can squeeze me in.
Alright, let's just follow me.
I'm not sure how much we shared when we were in Canada the last time when Christian got a tattoo, but Eamon's been wanting this kind of silly tattoo, and
Kind of silly. It's totally silly.
it's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
It's so ridiculous. It's like a skeleton playing
It's
an
street art.
avocado.
It's Mexican street art, and the guy's typically playing a guitar. I don't play guitar, and I do eat avocados, so I got him to play avocado and sell.
Right.
And he's surrounded in nopal.
Right. And it's gonna be on his leg. And
Those salads are not settling well at all.
no, I know. I think that salad made me sick.
Yeah, I think that sounds dank.
I don't know when I'll ever be able to vlog again like a normal human, but until these.
That place could not have done much worse of a job, could it?
Okay, give back 1 sec. She's just trying to get a little vlog sentence in. We just kept interrupting her, so give her like 30 seconds.
My grandmother's not gonna like you at all.
I love you, Grandma. I hope you're probably watching this. Hi,
Yeah.
Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Grandma doesn't like tats. I'm not a crazy fan of tats, but I also understand that it's not my body and you can do whatever you want, you know?
Appreciate that.
But like the fact that I'm gonna have to see this skeleton every day is a little much.
He's playing an avocado. You love avocados.
I do love avocados. Okay, that's all for now. We're back on the road.
Alright, dude, she's done.
As soon as I was done, he's like, okay, buddy, we can talk again.
You guys ready to rock and roll?
This thing happens to me, and I know you're probably not gonna believe it, but I get really car sick, so I imported the footage, started working.
I don't believe it. I know you do.
Okay, but the next part, I literally think I knock myself out because I'm so car sick that I can't stay awake. Do you believe that?
No.
See, I knew you wouldn't believe it. I don't know, guys, is that a thing? Because I really feel like if I'm not sitting, facing forward, looking at the horizon when we're driving, I can't stay awake. Because I feel so sick. Like my body's just like, the only way I can save you from this is just to fall asleep. Eamon's not even listening to me. He does not believe me. We have arrived in Querétaro, aka home away from home. We have some priorities for the evening. One of them being laundry. As you've seen, Eamon has been wearing one pair of Holy boxers for a couple of days. Laundry, food, shower, sleep. Let's go. While this looks like a ton of stuff, it's actually my entire closet except for this dress, most of Eamon's closet, and our sheets. Minimalists say what?
I'm gonna go get some groceries for dinner. Bec's just finishing up laundry. I'm on a water mission. I actually put in I just typed in water into Google and it brought me to this place here. It's 24 hours. So I think it's like a refill station for like those normal classic bottles. But I'm gonna have a look and see if it'll work for the bottles we use. Yeah, that should work. Beauty. Worked out really well. And that's the cheapest water I've got yet. So it's fully filtered. You can drink that. I'm gonna fill the other two up. Usually it's like 19 bucks at like an OXXO. So that was 12. Sweet. I think a lot of you have seen this, but just in case we got some new faces. This is my water setup. So I keep two of them back there. This is the gray. So that's just on a quick disconnect. So it's 5 gallon as well. I just dump that into the gutter. We use biodegradable soap. That guy clips back in, fits right there. He clips in here. Boom. Turn on the pump. Perfecto. Okay, Beck should be done with the laundry, then we'll make some dinner.
We're so exhausted that we don't even want to put up the bed properly.
Oh.
So to cut vegetables to help Eamon make dinner, I've just put this out. It's gonna be on a slant, so it's probably gonna be much harder than should we have just, you know, done it the proper way, but hey.
That one.
This one's maybe too big even.
No. That'll be perfect. Just like that, and then you can squish down a bit. Here's the finished chili. Boy, oh boy, does that look banging. And hit with a little bit of cilantro. Fresh squeeze of lime. Boom. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. The laundry goddess has completed her mission and has returned back to Earth. Are you pretty stoked?
I'm stoked. That was a long mission. We've been trying to fulfill our mission of getting a shower, which is the third thing on our bucket list for the evening. So we found one on iOverlander. It was a hotel that said they charge a little, but that you can have showers and parking and stuff like that. So we're meeting up with the Minimal Millennials to see what the sitch is, but we're tired. A few wrong turns and things get a little nasty around here, so I'm hoping there's a shower and we can get into bed and just call it a night. It's times like these when I want to contribute to the app, which we should be doing, and let everyone know that this is all old information or false information, because we just drove 15 minutes out of our way to check it out, and they don't allow us to park or shower or anything. There's no fee we can pay to do it, so we're just feeling a little bummed out and tired. Good morning, everyone. As you could tell by the end of the vlog, we were so tired and having one of those van life frustration days. So we apologize that the end of the vlog was a little bit all over the place, but just wanted to say thanks so much for sticking through it. If you did enjoy the video, we really hope that you'll smash the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell. All that stuff really helps us grow, and we're excited to keep on growing with you. So, until next time.
Should I say anything?
You can say something.
Bye, everybody. Alright, see you tomorrow.
Bye.
First things first. Let's get those ready.
What?
When they pull you over, grande mierda, big shit.
I might have clogged the toilet washroom.